Happy morning, children. Now only I am going to topic today new lessons. Unit 16, microorganisms. Lesson topic microorganism. Okay, what is microorganism? Microorganism are very small insects they cannot be seen through naked eye. These organisms can be seen only with the help of the microscope. So microorganism very small size. நம்மளுடைய கண்களால் அதை என்ன செய்ய முடியாது, பார்க்க முடியாது. ஸோ மைக்ரோஸ்கோப் வழியாக தான் அந்த பாக்டீரியாஸை வைரஸையும் என்ன செய்ய முடியும், நம்மளால் பார்க்க முடியும். therefore they are also known as microbes. Okay, the science that deals with the study of microorganism is known as microbiology. Okay, next one. Technically a microorganism or microbe is an organism that is microscopic. Microorganism can be bacteria, fungi, archaea or protist. The term microorganism does not include virus and prions, which are generally classified or non-living. Okay, then only what is a virus? What is a virus? Particle made up of genetic material and proteins. They intermediate between living and non-living things. Virus means poison in Latin. So they study virus called virology. Virus are 10,000 times smaller than bacteria. Virus have different shape. They can be rod shaped, spherical or of the other shapes. Okay, virus it is a almost all life forms can only replicate inside the living cells of organism. They study virus is called as virology. Virus infect host cells reproduce. Virus can learn to adapt to immune response. Virus are much more difficult to treat than bacteria. This is called as virus. Then only structure of virus. These pictures of structure of virus. This virus contains core DNA or RNA surroundings. That core is a protein coat. In some virus, the protein coat is covered by the envelope made up of proteins, lipids and carbohydrates. These envelopes have spikes help virus particles attach to the host cell. Virus causes many diseases to plants, animals and human beings. Then only characteristic of virus. So two characteristic of virus: living things characters and non-living characters of virus. Living characters, they respond to heat chemicals and radiations. They reproduce inside the host cells and produce copies of themselves. Virus can undergo mutation. They get destroyed by ultraviolet rays, acquire different strain, own genetic materials. Then only non-living characters, they are inactive when present freely in the environment. They can be crystallized and stored for a very long time like other non-living things. That is examples of virus. So bacteriophage, that is virus complex. Okay, influence, the shape of spherical. Dabacomosia virus, helical. So the different shape of virus in these pictures. Then only bacteria. What is bacteria? Bacteria are single celled prokaryotes cells without nuclei. They are considered to be first living organism on earth. Bacteria are grouped under the kingdom Monera. A study of bacteria is called bacteriology. This size of bacteria range 1 μm to 5 μm micrometers. Bacteria are two types, aerobic bacteria and anaerobic bacteria. Aerobic bacteria requires oxygen. Anaerobic bacteria does not require oxygen. So different types of bacteria. Then only cell structures of bacteria. Bacteria called wall forms a rigid structures of uniform thickness around the cells responsible for the characteristic shape of the cell. Inside the cell wall is the plasma membrane. This is usually closely opposed to the wall layer, that is bacteria. So bacteria 70 years ribosomes, other cells, organ cells are absent. Flagella aids in locomotion. Okay, so many more types of bacteria in these shapes of bacteria. So some shapes of bacteria, Bacillus cocci, Biberius, Spirilla. Okay, there is more types of bacteria and shape, different types of shape. Spirilla shaped bacteria, example of Helicobacter pylori. Cocci spherical or ball shaped bacteria, they can stick together in pair. Vibrio comma shaped bacteria, okay, Vibrio cholera. Bacteria also classified according to the number and arrangement of Blacklow. They are so different types of bacteria. So Monotrichia, Lopotrichia, Amphibiotrichia. So those different types of bacteria. Then only these types of bacteria, Artios, Monotrichos, Amphibiotrichos and Peritios, Lopotrichos. Okay, that is different types of and bacteria. Then only fungi. What is fungi? Fungi are group of eukaryotic organisms that lack of chlorophyll. They grow in dark environment. They may be either unicellular or multicellular, found in all kinds of habitats. They are included under kingdom of fungi. The study fungi of called mycology. Okay, study called of fungi mycology. Some fungi are microscopy. They are around 70,000 species of fungi living in world, that is fungi. Then only cell structures of yeast. Yeast are found freely in the atmosphere. Yeast grows in all kinds of media containing sugar. The cell ovoid in shape, containing shell, wall and a nucleus. The cytoplasma in granular and has oculus. Okay, that is organelles and glycogens and oil globules. Yeast aids feminization with the help of the enzymes science. That is symbols of structures of yeast. Okay, that is positions of structures of each picture. Then only algae. Algae very simple planet like eukaryotic organisms. Okay, eukaryotic organisms, they are found in moist habits, rich in chlorophyll, can be seen thin film on the surface of lacs and bonds. They known as crash of water. This is study of algae is called as algology. The pictures of algologies. Okay, thank you students.